place makes me so happy. Like the architecture. Oh, pretty people. Yeah. That looks so cute. We're in the abroad. Yeah. Some might say we are in San Francisco. Yeah, but yeah. I'm like never before. I'm like a Russian wind. I'm like never before. No one gets left behind. Hi ho, pam 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 pam. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Sibo, Sibo, Sibo. It's a restaurant. We were just at this height thing. It tells you the height of Red River, which is the river somewhere down there. And I don't know, for some reason we're checking our heights with it. See what we're doing. To be fair, I'm just 11 steps away from being 6'5". 6'5". I'm quite tall.
He's actually accurate. See. He's 1, 2, 3, 4 away from me. I'm telling you, I'm 6'5".
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah,
we'll take him to 6 feet.
6.5.
He's accurate.
So
Me, I'm 11 away from. I am short too. I'm sure. I'm actually so short.
5, 4.
There you guys. Stop.
I'm 5'7".
Yeah. He's accurate. What? Not all same at the same time. Oh, the line is long. What do we want? Oh, I like the Polaroid wall.
Voice of dogs.
Of dogs? Oh my god! There's some dogs! That's mine. Oh my god. Thank you.
having so much fun.
You're rude.
I know you 6 months.
Guys, good morning. I'm just on my way to work. I might not vlog there, but yeah, I'm on my way to work. Hope everybody has a good day. You've now seen Saturday, Sunday, and today's Monday, so let's make you fit. Hi guys, we got a haul. We got a little haul, you know, from Fashion Nova. Guess the name is here, Fashion Nova. Okay, I'm just gonna show you as is, and then you know we can figure out the wearing later. Anyways. Oh, not them being economical. sorry, sustainable. Yeah. Okay, before we start, I have to pray, right? Amen. So basically, I just bought jeans because I've been hearing for a long time that Fashion Nova is the place for you. By you, I mean like girls, curvy girls, come on, curvy girls, yeah. Anyways, as I said, these are regular blue jeans trousers. Now, it's the Tuscan booty lifting high rise stretch skinny jeans. Oh boy. In medium wash size 16. Now again, I've never bought actual jeans that are actually my size from anywhere, really and truly. I'm either struggling, but you know, as much as I don't really stand her, Beyonce once said, if you don't jump to put your jeans on, that's the only part I've ever agreed with in this life. But yeah, I agree with her because I'm always jumping. I don't know what my size is because my waist is smaller than my hips, so how can we really know? So yeah, so I'm gonna try this. I bought Fashion Nova jeans like a couple years ago, not a couple, maybe like 6 years ago. Again, they were not my size, so now I'm here to try again. To what? Try again. Yeah, okay. So usually you know your waist size by putting it around your neck. So okay, this is good enough. It's like exact within like this much space. Okay, yeah. It's stretchy. Oh, you know when you go to the market in Nigeria, you do like this. You check it out because you cannot wear it there. But yeah, this looks nice. I think it looks nice. I like the shade. It also has like some darting at the back near the pockets and on the pockets. Maybe that's what enhances the lift. How can we know? Why not the tailors? Secondly, here's my American. I really don't know what I bought. Like as I said, I'll show you guys. But if you ask me if I remember, I know it's jeans or trousers, whatever. Oh, this feels so soft. Okay, so these are like bootleg, straight leg pants. Okay, now it also has a little stretch. Do the neck test. I feel like a mommy. Yeah, good. This is the deep in your wow. This is the deep in my soul flare jeans, black size 16. But yeah, it's good. Okay, I'll do all the pants, and I bought one pair of shoes and do that last. This is one of my favorite colors. It's giving Kim Possible. It's giving, yeah, Olive Garden. It's giving, yes. Okay, let me go on. This is called Classic High Waist Skinny Jeans, Olive 16. So I just got everything in size 16 because I just thought, why not? Look at that stretch. Hey, this one is squeezing my neck, but we hope it'll be my size. We hope. It's really cute. I think. What do you think? Yeah, it's cute. Okay, last one. This one, I don't know what I did here, but this one is. If this one's my size, I'm gonna buy like 12. Wow. What? Oh, okay, let me read it, guys. Got carried away trousers. This one, if they don't carry me, they go. Carry me, they don't carry me in these trousers. What are we doing? What are we really doing? Okay? It's so damn cute. It has like wide leg or straight leg, wide straight leg pants, you know, and it has Like it will look official in front, and then you know, for the big batty gals, we gotta have the stretch. Let's check the neck. Hey, this one is comfortable. Hey, now this color and this caramel skin, are you seeing it? No, you're not seeing it. Check it out. Wow. Oh, I'm just a girl. I do love clothes. You can see me tomorrow in it. Yeah, just thank Jesus. Okay, I love it. Now for the shoes. These shoes, let me tell you, when I saw them, I saw strong woman. I saw enter the courtroom. I don't know what I mean court, but like I am the law, you know. When I saw them, I saw power. I saw classy. I saw tea time. I saw brunch. They are so stinking cute. I love them. They have this like polka dot stuff and a little bow. I just saw classy. It was giving functional. It's giving you can walk a mile in these shoes. Hey, no, think about it. These heels are stunning. They're actually fine. Anyways, that's my haul. That's my haul. That's the haul for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow actually, or in the evening. If something spectacular happens, I'll let you know. But for now, oh, I didn't tell you the name. Oh, so the name is All Pretty Pumps White. It is pretty, yeah. Okay, bye. I actually have one more thing to say. I have something to say. If you see me in this shoe outside, if you see me with these trousers outside, this one, these two, please clear the road, okay? Clear it. Just start singing President General Amongi. Salute you, President General Amongi. Yeah, that's it. It's been a really long day today. I'm just getting back from work. And I thought, oh, why not make you can even tell that I'm darker because it's so hot outside. Anyways, what was I gonna say? I came here to get stuff to make wraps for my loved ones. So in this wrap we have, I'll show you guys. I'll probably show you. I'll show you. And as much as I'm craving this wrap, tell me why I'm not finding the bread. I cannot find the right bread. I've checked all over. Couldn't find the right bread. Is this tea? How have I ever noticed this side? Cool stuff. Okay, so mission failed. I did not find the bread or the wrap bread. So we're not doing that anymore. I just got home. Yeah, we'll figure it out. I'm tired. Hello, girls and boys. It's a new day. Thank Jesus. Anyways, I look like this because I'm working from home. This is what you do when you work from home. You just sit in front of laptops, okay? Look at them all. They're looking at me and I'm looking at you. Anyways, nothing interesting has happened today, and that's just how life is. Some days are wilder than others. I've used accents today, because phone calls, hence my device in my ear. Accent. Yeah, I'll see you guys when something fun happens. Hey guys, so after work I've gone to pick up flowers for my baby girl. It's her birthday, so let's surprise her. Okay, surprise time. Happy birthday! Hi guys. What's today? Today's Saturday? Friday. This is a Friday evening. I'm with my hands-free. My friend. I'm also helping him with videography today because that's what he does. I'll put his Instagram in the description box. I know it might be on the screen as well, so you guys don't forget. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we're doing today.
Screaming, money, money. You better get down low, go low. You better get down low, put it shake that thing, move that thing, shake the ball. You better pick up the ball, win it back. Everybody, let's go feel out, you go down. Let's go feel out, you go down. Let's go feel out, you go down.
Jiggy just stepped inside the building, he ready to shake the room up.
I see everybody there. I want to see everybody at the after party. Shout out Green.
No man.
After party.
I don't do that.
After party.
I don't do that.
After party.
I don't do that.
But this one is good for after party.
It's not true.
It's not good for
We
after
actually worked, so like.
Daddy.
Oh my god, I'm walking in the middle of the road. Wow. Hello. Back home, eventful day, I would say. Come on, it's rhyming. Yeah, I'm gonna get on the elevator. Jesus is a fly. And go to bed because that concept, I don't know how people do it. You know the people I don't understand. But it's great to steez and all. So that wear heels. How are you doing it? Your leg is not paining you? I stood from like 7:38 to till now. My legs are killing me and I'm wearing sneakers. So kudos to you. Big ups. Big things. Let me tell you guys, unless it's for you guys, for my sweeties, I'm not doing that again. I'm not going. Because the music was loud, I didn't know the songs, but you know, as long as Nico's living likes him, I like him too. Bye.
Makes no difference what you're going through. You're gonna make it. God's gonna see you through.